Hello, in this video I want to show you how to connect all of the cables to your Orbi router. And to do this we'll need to log on the back. Here's all of the cable slots that we can use. And first one is a DC, so take this cable, which should be included in the box, and simply put it in. Next thing is a internet source, and that's the Ethernet cable, which we have right here. And what we need to do with it is not to connect it with Ethernet, but with the internet itself. And from here, this device should be ready for the wireless connection. If you want to use it with the Ethernet, simply connect the Ethernet cable right here and another one to the PC or any other device that you'll be using. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.